Do you know how to make a great wig out of something not so great? Today, we are going to show you how I take a generic wig that you can get from anywhere really, from a manufacturer or even from Amazon, and turn it into an amazing wig masterpiece. And with this one, I'm going to be doing it for Vanessa Williams. So we are taking something that you normally see every day in your wig making journey, a normal wig block. Yep, it looks like a light bulb. So you definitely know what this looks like. They do come in different sizes, from anywhere from a 19 to a 24, 25 if you're really good. They are made out of cork or they're made out of sawdust, depending on what type that you get. They have long necks and short necks. I'm sure most of you have worked with one of these. Here is a fully ventilated wig, mostly by machine. You can get this from a manufacturer or even from Amazon. That is fully ventilated, so there is this stretch part in the back. So I'm going to turn it inside out on the block so you can see exactly what we're talking about if you have never seen one before. There is this full stretch band that is on this wig, with the perimeter being fully ventilated lace. The problem is that this is giving us a lot of wiggle room. You can just see it here inside out on this block. It is made on a basketball. So I don't know whose head is perfectly shaped like this, but that is a no-go. And then when we put it on the block, it really doesn't fit. This is a size 22-inch block that we're using. It just doesn't fit. All of this room back here that I showed you earlier, it is just a lot of work to do. So I'm going to show you how to take these and make them a better fitting wig. Having the perfect fit for your wig is the key to having a great wig business. So the block really does matter. As you can see, this is a block that you probably have in your studio now, is something that looks like a light bulb. Now, here is the true mother of all wig blocks. It is a wig block that is padded out, made from a bubble that we made copying Vanessa's hairline and head completely from scratch. This is her head. It is a replica, and a little bonus, I don't ever have to have her in studio ever again for my client. So I can just get the phone call because I have her head. As you can see with the bubble, it is padded out to fit that block perfectly. You can tell that there is extra room in here for where her prep was. And we copied every single hairline, one hair at a time, onto the block. I've also added where the part will be for this wig. You want to make sure that you get all of the markings that you can while it's on your client's head. Now we're going to put on the machine-made ventilated wig onto our padded out block so that we can see what we need to do to make it fit properly. So when you put on your machine-made wig, you're going to put it on as best you can so that it fits. We're going to try to line up the hairline where we need it to go. And as you can see, if I bring the hairline down, we are missing this full chunk. So this is where the hairline would have to go if we were using this lace. And if you don't know me, this lace is not going on one of my wigs. So I'm going to show you how we make this fit better. And also keep in mind that the back is still very woodgy. So there is a lot of room in the back that we want it to fit perfectly. And of course, that back hairline, we need it to make it to fit somehow. Now we're going to put on a wig that I have customized and redid the full hairline so it fits her wig block absolutely perfectly. look at this shit. Um, so what we did is we copied the hairline one hair at a time so that we can really capture the real hairline. As you know, widow's peaks are really incredible to give that realism. So that is why we did what we did. Let's also look at the back here, how before we had all this movement in it. No movement here. It fits perfectly right onto that wig. It is flat to that head. And then the other fun, laughs, good times is making sure we get that wig fitting on that back nape perfectly. Because that's the money piece. Making sure that it fits so it looks perfect and beautiful for your client. And that's how we make a machine-made wig beautiful.